Hey catfish enthusiasts, do you throw your catfish heads away? Watch this before you think of doing that next time. I'm Oluwatunseyi, and in this video we'll explore the art of smoothly blending catfish heads to create a rich and flavorful fish powder using just your blender. Get ready to turn those overlooked catfish heads to another flavorful blend and unlock the savoring secrets to enhancing your dishes. Let the blending adventure begin. We still have some meat in them, though we have a lot of bones, but should we throw them away? No. So I have 4 of them here, but I'll make use of 3. Okay, I decided to leave them this way. They've been in my freezer, so I had to just dehydrate them a bit to remove any form of moisture. So let's see if the blender is able to do that. And it's just a way of saying you can make your catfish powder this way. This prawn is optional, so you can add your prawn and you may decide to skip it. I'm going to separate the prawns so that I can have a clear view of the ingredients I'm combining together. So this is what we have. We want to make our catfish powder. If you throw your catfish head or any type of fish head away, you end up wasting the bone and some kind of meat that will be stuck in the bone. So I have 4 of them here, but I will use 3 just as mentioned earlier. Then I'm going to be using crayfish. You know how when you go to the foodstuff market those days and you buy ogbono and the sellers grind them with crayfish on sometimes egusi and crayfish. Okay, this is done to allow the crayfish soak or mop up the oil in them, to allow a stress-free blending and to allow it come out easily from the engine or the machine. Okay, that is the same principle we are applying to this catfish. The fish generally have oils in them, and this oil may obstruct your blending process. Try this hack when blending fish and thank me later. Yes, we are done. Look at what we have here. We have these 2 outliers here. Yes, I call them outliers. It's okay, it's a smooth blending. And there you have it, the smooth and easy journey from catfish heads to a delectable fish powder. If you enjoyed this blending expedition as much as I did, show some like by hitting that like button, subscribe for more kitchen hacks and innovations, and ring the bell to stay in the loop. Until our next kitchen escapade, keep blending, keep creating, and let the flavors of your dishes speak volumes. This is Oluwatunseyi signing off with a blend of excitement and a sprinkle of seafood wonder. Happy blending, food enthusiasts. I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.